Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by Alex, and I don't usually accept total mystery packages, but I've talked with Alex before, and I'm intrigued by what's in here, so we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. You can find a link for my Patreon right down in the description, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. When I say I'm intrigued, I mean I'm intrigued because I have no idea. There's nothing in my subconscious. There's no conversation about exactly what was in here. Yeah, let's... I didn't make that cut all the way through? Surely I did. Yeah. I felt like I did. Let's get this side all the way down. Will it come out now? There we go. Alright, so here's a note. Hang on. Get it all the way open here. Okay, hey MC, big fan of the channel for at least a year now, and I fully blame you for my recent Hinder and Demco purchases. Sorry everybody. I've been loving your recent chats with other folks on the Knife Guy, and since your conversation with Nick Shabazz, I've become obsessed with finding the ultimate iteration of the Opinel twisted style lock, so I couldn't find a Chris Reeve Helix. This was the next best thing. Feel free to give it some use and try out this ridiculous mirror edge the previous owner gave it. I believe these were manufactured for cold steel by Camillus and came in a few other blade shapes like a clip point and leaf shape, as well as an absurd 5-inch blade variant. Enjoy. Okay, so this is in reference to the conversation that Nick and I had where we were jokingly going back and forth about this insane Opinel collab, and now I'm kind of nervous to open this up. If you watch that episode of The Knife Guy with me and Nick, then this will make sense. I'm gonna guess. Okay, more mystery. Oh, it's definitely cylindrical. What on earth? What the heck is this? Oh my gosh. This is almost... Oh, it goes the other way. Oh my gosh. What on earth? This is real. Oh my gosh, this is insane. I had no idea. Let's take a look here. Twistmaster by Cold Steel. Oh my gosh. No way. Wow, well that is about as... That's crazy. So, the joke is that, if you guys don't know, I am not the world's biggest Opinel fan. Right? And people always come down on me for that. Don't care. The Opinel has never really been my cup of tea because it just is, you know, wood and a blade and meh, right? And so we were joking back and forth about, you know, what my nightmare would be, because I love Hinder knives so much. My nightmare would be if Hinder collaborated with Opinel to make some monstrosity that ruined basically the wiring in my brain that loves Hinder but hates Opinel, right? I just wouldn't be able to comprehend the combination of those two things. And the funny thing here is that we we have a super tactical version of the Opinel. I mean, I think it's actually more along the size of the Opinel 9. The one down here is the 8. I have no idea if these are still around, if you can still buy them. I mean, obviously I'll link them down below if I can, but I feel like that's probably not the case given the information in the letter, unless I just didn't understand that. But I'm gonna guess this is steel, and then we've got some sort of injection mold plastic on the hand. I'll admit, while this is still giving me Opinel vibes, right? I do like it more than the standard Opinel. This is why they insisted on not telling me what it was. This is why Alex was like, no, I want you to pick it up and handle it. This is about as close to... That's the irony here, is that I always thought that would be my nightmare. But maybe if it had more of a Hinder element, maybe it would ruin me mentally, right? But I still don't... It's just like an excess amount of tacticalness is meeting this, like, level of like minimalism and like just general like straightforward nothing for the enthusiastness, right? It's meeting that in a way where both levels are so overkill that there's nothing, because I don't like minimalist stuff. Like, I mean, a minimalist appearance, but like a minimalist function, I'm not really big into that. And then I don't like totally unnecessary, like ultra tactical stuff. So you put that together in a knife, and then we just have two elements on opposite ends of the spectrum that are just like, yeah, like it's so much, it just becomes this, this insane thing where I'm just like, I don't know what to do with this. I don't know if you guys can tell. Like, I'm trying to create dialogue around this item, right? And I just don't know how I feel about it. I don't understand it. But it exists, right? And now I have new fuel for my nightmares. This is wild. Okay, so what the heck was this called again? Let's see here. This was the next base thing. I believe these were manufactured by Cold Steel, for Cold Steel by Camillus, and came in a few other blade shapes. Well, is the ring lock? I thought the ring lock was specific to Opinel, or did Opinel and Camillus work together at some point? I don't know. This is a weird one. Obviously, I'm gonna need to do a little bit of research before I talk about this, but Alex, thank you, I guess. Thanks for sending this in. This is super weird. Anyways, I think that's going to be it for today. You guys will get a full review on this very odd knife. Okay, let's get the bigger one. There we go, so you guys can see it. You guys will get a review on this very odd knife 2 to 3 weeks from now, from the time that you're seeing this. If you're watching in the future, obviously, check back, look in my video list to see if I've already done it. But anyways, thanks so much to everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.